guys, my name is Francine and this is part 2. Tingnan nyo, sorry, chalecha or chalejadit. Hindi, nagkamali kasi lolo namin, kaya, sorry yun, challenge yun.
We don't know how to spell yet. We're crazy.
And challenge yung part 1. Ito, part 2.
Part 2. This is hide. This is tagu-taguan. Tagu-taguan is hide and seek. Who's first? Who's first
Me.
to hide? Who's first to hide? Or
Ako na lang mag-hide.
Sino nahanap? Dito lang nahanap. Ako doon sa labas. Ako, ikaw hindi.
Ako na lang, ikaw, makita nyo ako maghahanap. Huwag na kita niya.
Francine, me and Francine going to tago here.
Tilino. At siya, doon sa labas muna.
Francine and me going to hide here. Who's the finder? We're going to wait there. Once they're ready is go.
Dali, puntahan na sa labas. Makita niyo ako.
You're going to see Francine Chan. Bye!
Let's go. Punta sa labas. Sa labas. Sige. Let's go! Natingnan ko si Stephen. Nag-hide na tayo. Ba kaya pwede nating i-hide? Di pa. Dark to ha. Huwag kaya ito.
You're ready?
No!
Ready?
Hindi pa.
Ilan mo?
Oo. Tapos na. Na-find tayo ni Stephen. Ayan, no? Kainis. Ako naman magtatago. Makita niyo naman, Stephen. Magtatago dito.
This is going to be a long... Don't budge it! Don't budge it. Now,
Dive.
okay, wait a second. Ready!
No! Agad!
Need mo agad.
Yep. Okay, my turn.
That is Francine's turn. Bye!
Okay.
Hindi matagal.
Turn na. Ready? Agad! Sayang.
I get it.
Stephen third.
black. Sorry. You need to wait. Francine! You're not going to see why it's brighter. Bright it's we're going to get it!
I-challenge natin, di ba?
I get it!
I know. Kasi may mga mukha-mukha eh.
This is everybody. Now,
My
it's Francine's so good.
My turn. Dali
There's no one sugat dito. Okay,
Tara na.
Bye!
Ililins. Ha? Hindi pa. My turn. Tas bye-bye uli. Bye-bye agad? Para na. Dali, punta. Go. My scepter. I love scepter. My scepter. No. Okay, ready. Dali, punta na sa labas. Ayusin ko lang to. Ba't kasi dito ka umahide? Gusto ko yun, parang hindi.
Ako nga na-think ako dun sa I will think this is a story of Nick Nene. We got to go that mommy daddy had. We going to like this. I will go inside and Nick Nene tapak me then. Ouch. No. Ouch. No ouch. No. Only a little bit. And I cannot breathe. And and I get it out and Miss Nene pushed her little sister and super funny.
Dalian mo na.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for Francine and buy of the flips. Magic receptor. Okay, that's enough. Bye. Bye. For a while, you're going to see the light forever. In the while.
Okay,
Bye.
finish na ako.
We're going to finish. Go. Punta na.
Let's go hide.
Baba tayo dito, ha? Nandito tayo mag-hide. Hey, not ready.
No.
Wag. Wala dito, ha? Ready? Oo.
No. Oh my gosh, that's so dark.
Narinig ko yun eh. Narinig ko yun eh. Tapos narinig ko yun.
Ano narinig mo?
Du-du-du-du-du. I'm so funny. I'm so fast.
Okay, your turn. Tapos na tong video na to.
This-
Ano, kasi I didn't see.
Okay. First, I'm going to put it on the table is red. Now, okay, we're going to hide. When I say ready, Francine will find me. Shh. I will hide.
Wag sa kama.
Ano?
Ano? Wag sa kama.
Nabulang ako!
Oh, sige.
Ready? No!
Find her! Find her!
Okay.
Gusto yung makita yung ano namin, yung next video, pero hindi yung challenge.
We're going to get it tomorrow. Why? Sorry.
At magbabicycle tayo. Gusto nyo makita yung motor namin? Sige, video natin yung motor natin. Kung paano. Tara na! Tara na! Mag-video na tayo. Kung saan, kung paano mag-motor. Ang gigas na ng motor. Sige, next video, okay? Watch it.